This is such a fun, easy, and relaxing project. All you'll need is some white rice, food coloring, a few jars, and some tea lights. Grab your glass jar, that one that has a lid, pour some rice in, add your food coloring, put the lid back on, start shaking it up. You can keep adding food coloring until you get the desired color that you're looking for. And now I'm going to do the same thing with the red food coloring. Now I'm just going to layer the rice. I'm going to start with the red in the bottom, then put in the white, and then the blue. Then I'll add a tea light to the top. For the other two jars, I just mixed together my red, white, and blue rice and threw it in there for kind of a confetti look. Now this one is so simple. I just took a glass jar. It was a leftover salsa jar, I believe. Washed it out, put some burlap ribbon around it, and then made a bow, and then stuffed it with red and blue Tootsie Pops. It's a great little extra to have on your counter to bring out that 4th of July look. The next quick project will be using these cutting boards from the Dollar Tree. They're textured on the top, but the underneath is smooth. So I will just cut out a vinyl decal on my Cricut, and I'm going to apply it underneath. Since we will be applying it underneath, we need to make sure to mirror it in Cricut Design Space before we cut the vinyl. One of the great things about this project is that if you use removable vinyl, you can remove that after your 4th of July gatherings, and you can store your boards and bring them back out and put a new design on for your next party. I literally went to the Dollar Tree yesterday just to try to find some items for a last minute DIY, and this is what I came up with. I found this gold tray, a Patriotic scarf, and the red and blue mason jars. And of course, I always have some Dollar Tree jute ribbon on hand. I put this together to hold my spoons and forks for my 4th of July party. The last project is watermelon themed, and I picked up this tray at the Dollar Tree and these flip-flops there as well. Then I will be adding some paint and some vinyl lettering. After I painted it and added my vinyl, I hot glued the flip-flops onto the side and poured me a delicious watermelon drink. If you liked any of these projects, please be sure to hit that thumbs up button below, and I hope everyone has a happy and safe 4th of July.